Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. Today we're going to review and install this 20 by 8 garage mat. The reason for the mat is there are no drains in our shop and the water seeps into the other units next to the wash bay. And it is just impossible unless you have complete covering to wash anything in the Texas sun. So I figured this garage mat from Amazon can either be a piece of crap or be a gem. You get stuff from China, it is hard to tell. Without me babbling about what we may or may not get, let's get to the video here. We have a foam squeegee that came here, so you can get all the dirt off the floor. I'm just going to sweep the floor and call it a day because I don't want to ruin this. I want to be able to use this on the mat itself. So let's get this thing unpackaged. As you can see, it's quite thick, weighs about 28 pounds. I got to move this mat bench out of the way, and we'll start putting down this mat. No pun intended. This is most likely a two-person job, but I figured I could task of putting it down and getting it all spread out. It took a little bit of time, as you see in the time-lapse video here, but it was not as hard as I thought it was going to be. But sometimes you never know. So we're going to give this a couple days to lay flat. And it's going to coincide with another video that we're going to waterless wash that Kia with our new garden sprayer. There'll be separate videos. We'll get that key in here after this flattens out a little bit. We anchor the corners with hook and loop pads, and we'll keep rolling. Stay tuned. So I didn't want to bore you with the same video twice, but I completely rinseless washed and clayed and deconned this Kia in here. And as you can see, there is hardly any water on the floor, even though I'm talking about the hood on this thing. You'll see that in another video. Just trying to cram two videos into one, and we had some corrupted footage and all that stuff, and it was not fun when that happened. So I was really worried about the mat getting slick, and at least with the rinseless wash and everything that we used, it did not get slick. There wasn't a ton of water on the floor. Now when we spray foam, that might be a different story. It might be as slick as ice. I hope not. So I'm really pleased with my initial thoughts of this mat. I will leave a link in the description below for the link to the mat that is on Amazon in case anybody wants one. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a link. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I hope everybody enjoyed this video and this review on this 20 by 8 garage mat. Once again, my name is John. We are North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. See you in the next video.